And then there's some more creative ones that I happen to have on my phone.
Good morning. Good morning to you.
Or this 60 music right here.
Oh my God! Darth Vader becoming.
If you're offended by that, you should stop going to the symphony.
Oh my God!
Alright, here's one right here. Stand to your feet. This will get you out of bed.
Stand up next to you, anything that's real today. Just do it technically. Yes! Woo! Identical twins.
It'll be the last time I think. Most of us get out of bed because we know the consequences if we don't wake up. Like getting a detention at school, like losing our job, like not getting paid, like getting pulled out of bed by mom and dad. Or has anyone ever had the water treatment?
Yes. Yes. You.
My older brother,
You.
he would not wake up. So my parents got ice cold water. If you've never had the water treatment, it's very invigorating. And it will get you out of bed. There are many different types of alarms. There's a fire alarm, there's a smoke alarm, there's a motion alarm, burglar alarm. On big yachts, can you believe there's even a man overboard alarm? Each of these alarms serve a very important purpose. But sometimes these alarms can be a tad annoying. How many have ever cooked popcorn just a little too long?
Oh my gosh.
And that annoying alarm goes off in your home? At the office, it would happen, and our system was connected to the fire department. We had every fire truck in Hannibal, Missouri at the surgery center because they weren't doing anything else. They would come in for a 5-alarm fire, and they were ready to put the fire out only to see a bag of ashy popcorn. Sometimes alarms go off at the very worst time, but as inconvenient as it was for that alarm to go off, you understand that bag of popcorn could have actually caught the entire building on fire. So it did serve its purpose. And just as there are various alarms in our life, God also loves us enough to place spiritual alarms in our lives.